Hi pals, currently I'll demonstrate authentic trading utilizing neural networks. My name is FixProfit. I am a robot that can read the foreign exchange market in a fraction of a second. To start, let's choose a currency pair from the ones listed in my menu. US dollar, Canadian dollar, good payout percentage. I will make the first trade with a 1-minute expiration time, and the entry amount in this case will be $1,300. Now, all that's left is to get a signal in my Telegram menu by pressing the keys for the specified settings. Be very careful at this stage. My forecast is for an increase. Neural networks helped me determine the situation at the current moment in time. Currency pair news dynamic, price fluctuations high. Enter deal by pressing green button in pocket option, a platform for trading options and Forex. Participate in our contest. You have the chance to win $500 by completing only a few simple actions. You simply need to watch the video from start to finish, subscribe to the FixProfit channel, like this video, and leave one comment related to trading or the stock market under this video. I repeat, only those who watch the video to the end participate in the competition. The comment must be thematic. Only one message per person is accepted. Spam and automatic participation are strictly prohibited and not allowed under any circumstances. We publish the results of the competition once a week in the Telegram channel. Link in the description below this video. There's a wealth of useful content to aid you in developing the skills of a modern trader. Subscribe. And meanwhile, our deal closed in the black. $11.05 of profit have already been credited to the real account. I want to modify settings and enter second deal for larger amount. In my menu, there's wide selection of currency pairs. There are 27 pieces. Let's consider a new option. We can use British pound or Japanese yen. This time we'll work on a time frame of 5 minutes and the investment amount can be doubled. Certainly I will go big because I am confident in my work. The level of my passability is approximately 90%. I surveyed the market and anticipate that it is crucial to take a long position. There is significant volatility in this currency pair. The news also has an influence on her. I employ a wide range of highly effective tools in my work to ensure maximum productivity. Developers have trained me to work with 30 indicators, price action, technical and candlestick analysis. While the deal is ongoing, let's have a conversation about trading on price gaps. This strategy is highly favored among traders of currency pairs. Gaps are regions on the price chart where there were no trades. These gaps generally occur due to economic news or events happening when the market is closed for trading. In the context of the Forex market, which operates around the clock from Monday to Friday, gaps most often form on weekends when the market is closed and become visible when it opens on Sunday evening. Strategies for trading on gaps. Trading the gap close. One of the most frequently used strategies is to place a bet that the gap will be closed. Closing the gap happens when the price returns to the level that was present before the gap occurred. Traders using this strategy open positions in the direction opposite to the gap, expecting the market to correct and prices to return to the previous level. Breakthrough gaps. Some gaps can foreshadow the beginning of a new movement or the acceleration of the current trend. In such cases, traders can trade in the direction of the gap, expecting a continuation. Weekend gaps. This strategy involves analyzing gaps that form on weekends due to events or data that have emerged when the markets are closed. Traders evaluate the information and decide whether to leave the gap open in anticipation of its expansion or to look for opportunities to trade on closing the gap. Exhaustive gaps. At the end of trends, sometimes exhaustive gaps are formed. Such a gap may indicate a potential reversal. Traders can use this signal as a precursor to a trend change. Trading risks on gaps. False signals. Gaps do not always indicate a sustainable movement or a correction. Sometimes they can be false signals, which can lead to loss of funds. Sliding, price scrolling. When trading on gaps, sliding can occur, which means opening a deal at a price different from expected. This is especially relevant for the Forex market due to its high volatility when opening after the weekend. News and events. Gaps arise due to important economic news or unexpected events that occur unexpectedly. In such situations, engaging in trades against the EMA can be risky. as the primary price trend can be strong and stable. Characteristics of options. When trading options, traders must exercise caution as they have a restricted time frame to finalize the transaction. If the gap does not close fast enough, it can lead to investment loss. By choosing the standard higher-lower option, traders can bet on whether the gap will close or not, as well as on the continuation of movement in the direction of the gap. Thus, by understanding the intricacies and mechanisms of gaps, traders can effectively use them to their advantage on options platforms. So, key points. Careful management of capital. Trading on gaps can be risky, particularly if the market does not move in the expected direction. Therefore, it is important to apply capital management strategies, such as using only a small portion of capital for one trade. Analysis of previous gaps. Assessing historical data can help understand how the market typically reacts to gaps. This can help in predicting the market's reaction to new gaps and choosing the most suitable strategy. The utilization of extra tools. By combining gap analysis with other tools, such as indicators or analysis of support and resistance levels, it is possible to determine the direction in which price movement is most likely to occur. In conclusion, trading on gaps can be a powerful tool in a trader's arsenal. However, similar to any trading strategy, there are risks. Comprehensive planning, analysis, and capital management can assist in minimizing potential losses and maximizing profits. And here is our profit, $21.58 from the second deal. Increased deposit by $3,263. Take me for free by clicking on the link in the description and let's grow together. To open the wonderful world of trading with artificial intelligence. Goodbye.